Hi, Bubby! Okay, so I'm trying not to say so as much. I'm trying to just say so. Okay, so I am packing for Sydney. So Stevie and I, we have a big holiday ahead of us. I have probably mentioned it before, but Tom, Stevie's dad, and I sort of aren't together, but you know, we're working on things. So he is up there right now just like sorting out work stuff, and so we thought that we'd like tag a holiday onto the end of it. Anyway, but what it means is that I'm here and I'm just like packing everything, and I'm going to be traveling on my own with Stevie and all of her stuff, and I've never traveled with her before. I'm just a little bit overwhelmed, and Stevie has swimming this morning and things in the home have been a little bit crazy lately, so I'm just trying to like figure out what to take and not to take, and it's so hard to know what to cull. And anyway, so we're going to Byron Bay. It should be really nice weather up there. Well, okay, I say really nice weather because it's like a beachy area, but not the beachy areas. Anyway, but it's like up north, so it's like a little bit more tropical than it is down here, so it should be nice weather. But I think at the same time it's like their, you know, wet season. I'm not really sure, but anyway, maybe I'm completely wrong. I'm trying to pack things like denim and that kind of thing, so yeah. Stevie. Okay, so now it is the next day and I'm feeling way better about my packing. I've got everything done. I've cleaned the house, cleared out the fridge. The bins went out this morning, so that was perfect. They're all done. I've put the car in the garage. So yeah, now this is what my luggage bag is looking like. So I've got towels on top and then a heap of nappies up there. But yeah, in here I've just got like those cube things that I was talking about. They're so good. Anyway, and I decided to go with this luggage bag. I might even just check this one in as well. So I might check in both of these, I'm not sure. And then I've also just got Stevie's nappy bag, which is like chock-a-block full of stuff, and I still have to get a tin of formula in there. I don't know if that's gonna happen, but I'll try to make it happen. And then I've just got her jacket there too, because it's meant to be cold and raining in Sydney, so that's just super convenient. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. I'm a little bit anxious. I don't really know how this is gonna go. Her next nap is due in an hour, which is pretty much when the cab is gonna get here to take us out to the airport. So we'll see how she goes. Hopefully she'll just sleep on the plane. But yeah, it'll be good to get away from Wagga for a little bit and just have a nice holiday and catch up with some people, and yeah. See ya, Charlie. Bye. You just want to say goodbye. So I've just got these two bags and these big guys. So I feel like I've done okay. Hasn't made the noise yet. Oh, maybe it's a little bathroom, some kitchenette. And they set this up, which is so nice. But I already have my travel cot, so that's good. She can get used to that.
This is my heart.
Good morning, lovey. You're in your travel cot. Very nice. Hey, girly. So today we have woken up in our hotel room, or it's like a service department. I think today we're gonna just like get out and go out and get a few things. Stevie has a bit of a cough. I really hope she's not getting sick, you poor little thing. Yeah, it's just funny, like the little things that you take for granted, like dishwashing liquid and like a bottle brush and stuff like that. But it's okay, so I've already got a bit of a list going. So this is our setup here. So yeah, I've got the travel cot. They gave us a high chair, which was good. And then we've got this little kitchenette here. So I've already used the microwave sterilizer this morning, and I've just made a heap of bottles there. So it's all ready to go. We also changed rooms last night as well because I was closing the blinds and yeah, they wouldn't close the whole way. They were broken. So, and just with Stevie and her napping, like she has to have the room blacked out because otherwise she just doesn't sleep very well. So I just said to them, look, my baby doesn't sleep without the blinds. So we had to just move rooms. Okay, so I've just filled up a bath for her. I just used the shower and I'm gonna give her a little bath because we got in late last night and I didn't end up doing it. So I've just got these little Johnson's things that I'm gonna use. Oh, nice and clean, Bobby. Oh. Life of a mum. I just like washed all of these in the sink with the nappy sand and the stuff. Yes. So today I'm not feeling the best. Wow, that's a much nicer room. Damn. So now I have to go do a COVID test. Why is it so long to... No, it's and you do too. Oh, whoops. And you do too, Stevie. Uh-oh. Someone's been coughing a little bit. We've come all the way here and the COVID thing's not even open.
Switch off your engines, but there's no one in here.
Oh no, are you serious? Oh, it's not even open.
We'll go tomorrow.
Stevie, we won't be long, bubby.
Oh, no referral needed.
BWP
Yep.
71
0781.
81. What's your first name?
Sarah?
So we did the COVID test and it actually was nowhere near as bad as I thought it would be. I think some people say it's meant to be painful, but it just honestly feels like a tickle right at the top of your nose, almost like you're gonna sneeze, like that, and then it's literally done. So it was not nearly as bad as I thought. And so he said that the results are going to come in like either tonight or tomorrow, so that's good because I don't want them to refuse us getting on the plane because Stevie has got a bit of a cough and then I'm sounding a little bit blocked up and yeah, so that's what she's got, haven't you, little one? And she's been a little bit upset as well well, now she doesn't seem upset, but she just had a full bottle, a 210 ml bottle, and she's had a bit more bottles than usual today. So I think that might be because she's sick. I don't want them to refuse us on the plane or something crazy like that if they hear that we're coughing and we haven't got a COVID test. So I'm glad that they said that the results are going to come out soon. Hopefully we don't have COVID. I feel like we don't. I've heard that one of the symptoms that you have to have if you do have COVID is a fever, and neither of us have got a fever. Well, actually, I haven't done us today. I might do us now. I'm going to just do myself. Yeah, so 36.7. So like, yeah, that's fine. Let's do you now, Stevie. It says 36.2, but it's not focusing for some reason. Anyway, so yeah, I think we should be okay, but it's just a matter of waiting to see our result, what our results say, and yeah. Hello, gorgeous. Did you just have a whole bottle? You just had a whole bottle, and you've got milk all down your sleeve, haven't you? Oh. So now I've just ordered myself some dumplings and some Chinese broccoli in garlic, which is one of my favorite dishes, and I really miss the Asian food in Sydney, so I'm going to take advantage while I can. I'm trying not to eat meat now. I just feel like I really want to go full healthy as much as I can at the moment. I'm kind of on a roll, so I figure I may as well go with it. And I just feel like meat, I just eat a lot of meat. It's kind of like my go-to, you know, whenever I have a salad or something, I always put some meat with it. And as a snack, like I'll have those Twiggy sticks and stuff. So I think that I just want to try to work on cutting out my meat now. I just think it's a good habit to get into, to not always, you know, go for beef and black bean sauce and things like that. Like, why not get tofu and things? So yeah. I'm really not feeling the best today.
That's so cool.
The replay, so that's how it finishes.
So down at Malabar, you're not talking about. Do you know where the?
So I just made her a bottle. She hid it away twice, and now she's playing with it. So do you want the bottle or not? Do you want the bottle or do you not want the bottle? Cheekiness. So today was good because since we got our results back and they were negative, it just meant that we could still like go out and spend time with family and that kind of thing. And I didn't know if I'd have to cancel everything or if we had to just stay in isolation, but it's not coronavirus, so that was good. But I'm still just feeling a little bit just like really lethargic and that kind of thing. So yeah, Stevie is doing this thing where she keeps going on her tummy and then like getting upset that she's like on her tummy. Maybe she's like at that stage where she's really wanting to take off and crawl now. But yeah, anyway, it was good because I didn't know how I was going to entertain her the whole time that I was in the hotel room with her. So I'm glad that now we can actually get out and about, even though I'm not really feeling up for it. It's still, you know, we can get out and do things. So I'm just about to go out to the shops and get some more formula and things like that. So yeah. What's that?